Now just after the food ingredients, let us recall about the food nutrients. So to remind it, the food ingredients which are responsible to supply certain growth regulators, means the food ingredients whatever we are eating, these are responsible to supply certain growth regulators like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, roughages and minerals, which are collectively called the food nutrient or food supplements. So dear students, over here whatever we are eating as food is called the food ingredients, and for what we are having these food ingredients to get to liberate energy, and this energy is liberated, and thereafter what are the nutritive products we are having in our bodies that are responsible to regulate our body growth as growth regulators. These are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, roughages and minerals. So the food ingredients are responsible to supply certain growth regulators, means the growth regulators like protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, roughages and minerals which are being supplied by food ingredients are called the food nutrients. Okay, fine. The function of food supplements of food nutrients. What is the function? Why do we need such food nutrients through the food ingredients? Directly we have no other option to get this. If we need some carbohydrates or we need some protein, so directly we don't need protein or carbohydrate. Our cells are needed proteins, but we need energy. The whole and soul our body needs energy. Now this energy in the form of different forms. If we are eager to have, if we are eager to have instant energy at a time, then it is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are capable to give the instant energy. So we would have to get such ingredients which can fulfill the requirement of carbohydrate. That's why in television ads, in generally to get instant energy, we people always recalling those ads in which any cricket star or any star came into the television ad and used to say like, boost is the secret of our energy, or I am a Complan girl. This is for what? This is for instant energy or long term energy. So these providing instant or long term energy is the requirement of these food nutrients. So instant energy is normally given by or provided by carbohydrates, whereas the long term energy is provided by mainly proteins. Now the function, this function leads with 2 points, as it is required for body development and complete growth and good health. So the food supplements or food nutrients which are being eaten in the form of food ingredients are required for our body development as well as complete body growth and good health, so that we would be able to become a disease free health and being alive, safe and sound. Now the most obvious food resources. What are the food resources from which we do have our food materials? So this is, or these are the agriculture and animal husbandry, regarding which we will study further ahead. So over here about most obvious food resources, we have to know about agriculture and animal husbandry. The plants cultivation is being done through agriculture in the form of crops, where mainly in the form of crops, whereas the animal husbandry deals with the productivity of animals, their eggs, their flesh, their milk, whatever, etc. Now, certain factors affecting the improvement in food resources. What are the factors which are affecting our food resources, and these are responsible to affect the improvement time in food resources. So, number one is higher yield. Second one is improved quality. So, higher yield and improved quality, these two things are the factors which affects the improvement in food resources. Regarding this, the improvement can be done. So, when it comes to higher yield, so it leads to the increased productivity of the crop per acre. Crop is being planted in land. So, per acre how much crop is being cultivated, more and more cultivation is being recognized through higher yield. We have already studied about it in standard 8 also, and will read it further in this chapter. Thereafter, improved quality. Not only per acre crop cultivation, but the crop cultivation per acre must be improved to get the food, to get the cultivated crop in large quantity. Now, secondly, the improved quality, whatever we have already discussed earlier, that the quantity and quality must be analyzed to cues based on the improvement of this crop productivity or the food resources. So, here improved quality, let us recall and learn it. The quality of crop products vary from crop to crop. See, we are cultivating different kind of crops. So, all the kinds of crops having different productivity, different qualitative productivity. This is an analysis over here. First, if we are considering about pulses to get proteins, so the crop product is proteins, pulses to get proteins, and this is required for protein quality. So, improved protein quality, we must get the improved plantation of the pulses, whereas oil seeds, these oil seeds to get fats or oil quality. And another one is fruits, vegetables, etc. They are preserving quality. These fruits and vegetables, they do also have certain preserving quality related to protein, fats, carbohydrates, whatever, in very little amounts and a composition point of view. Now, afterward, we'll learn about the importance of improvement in food resources.